push it. That's one way to do it. Yeah, no more ice block. Yeah. Hey, could you guys do me a favor? Beans has it in her fuzzy little head that if you like and subscribe, she'll get salmon. So, who am I to argue? She might be right.
Today is a really exciting day for us here. We've been in Alaska for a full 10 days now, and we've spent our time getting licenses for ourselves, our vehicles, and have been working with the borough on finalizing our driveway construction permits. Moving is always a big undertaking, but this move has its own unique challenges. Today, the borough released its restrictions for heavy machinery operating on public roads. Restrictions that exist for good reasons we don't yet understand, but we will someday.
Been waiting for this for a long time.
Unfortunately for us, our noob Alaskan status has us at the back of the line when reserving equipment, but I was able to secure a mini excavator
Can you reach the pedals?
to try to get some work done in anticipation of a 4 to 5 month long summer that's a couple of months in already. And talking about being behind the curve, I've never operated an excavator, but I've studied a lot of YouTube excavator channels over the last couple of years in anticipation of this very moment. My biggest challenge will be learning the motor skills of the machine and getting up to par enough to actually get some measurable work done over the week I have this little muscle tool.
It is a bobcat. Yes. Safety first. So what are you gonna do first? Are you ready to try something?
Yeah, let me sneak this out a little.
Now that's super muddy. Is that gonna make a difference? Like you said, he can come back and help clean it up if we need to. Does the seat go down? Does the seat lower? I thought I saw a lever in the front, but... we can tie little blocks to your feet. If it wasn't ice, you would have picked it up. Well, not even just ice, it's snow. All right, now just do that about 50,000 times. And we're gonna be set. Try to put the claw a little more level to the ground. Yeah, and then come forward more. And then start to scoop up with it as you come forward. Alright, now start scooping upward. Well. No, I need to use it myself so that I can remember. Yeah. Yeah, because if the arm pushes into the ground, it'll lift you. I think it's gonna have to move a lot before you're in danger. So just expect it to move. Yeah, it might be a difficult thing to do in the first place. I don't know. Try to pick up ice. Well, snow. So when you start to scoop it, I think you need to put the thumb down to keep it from falling out. Don't crush it, just enough to keep the ice from lifting out of the bucket. Go more. It's, you need something more firm than ice, I think. Yeah, I mean, it's if you could pick up melting snow, then you should be able to handle a bush, for sure. What do you mean toward you? Yeah, because I'm going to have to get back to work. Oh, that's the one I was missing. I was confused. It wasn't working like I thought. It's this.
Yeah. So one is boom, that's the upper arm. Then there's the arm, and then there's the bucket. It is, yeah.
I think it's because this does two different things.
Each one does two different things. Each handle does.
Well, but we're not supposed to do that one.
But if you do the forward and back, it does the boom or the bucket. I'm never quite sure which.
What is this? What do these do?
That one of them adjusts your speed.
Up here, there's the rabbit.
Yeah.
But there's two trigger buttons and a thumb button.
Now just don't mess up his landscaping over there. It's really pretty. He's got all that moss over there.
Well, yeah, I don't know. It might have to come out anyway.
I'm not gonna touch this if I can at all help it. I really want to focus on that area back there.
We need enough room on the road for drainage and plowing. So,
Yeah. No.
So this is not necessarily suited for winter.
Yeah.
So we might have to widen.
Yeah. Yeah.
And our right of way only goes so far that way. So the rest of it has to come this way.
Yeah.
Anyway, we'll see.
We'll see. We'll see what we can do. Let me get his steak out of there.
I'm not gonna get it.
Well, need to get it out anyway. Looks like it got broken. Uh-oh. There we go. And he's got another one over here. I'll just put these over. Done. But it's something, you know, it's like victorious when you can get something in the bucket.
Doesn't even grab it.
I know. I don't think it's really made for little ice blocks, but so close, so close. Pound it!
Alright, huh?
Alright.
Well, we go for that big one more time down here.
Alright.
Yeah, you definitely gotta, I mean, like you said, the key right now, until you do this a lot, slow, steady movements.
Yeah.
Give yourself time to think through what you're doing.
I'm gonna go in and get something to eat and then come out and get to work. I'm gonna start over there in that back corner and start clearing a path so we can at least see where our flags are and start the process of marking trees and stuff. At least get some way to walk back there. So the off position is to put your bucket or your scoop down.
Blade.
Yeah, your blade. Yeah, put it down on the ground and then you drop your bucket so that it lays down on the ground like that.
Not open and close.
It doesn't, up, all the way. You can scoop your, you can put it on the ice block. Alright, crush it. That's one way to do it. Yeah, no more ice block. Yeah. Just like that. Yeah. Alright. I'm gonna go grab a bite to eat and start doing stuff.